Alright guys, we're getting ready to pull this Ford Focus engine out again. The third time. This is not the same shop we did last time. This is my buddy's car lot. And we're doing it in one of the detail tents. You can see Josh out here working, washing his tow truck. Everybody hanging out. And there's Brad helping pull the engine out. I'll work the hoist. Ahoy, matey! So this time we decided to pull the engine out of the front just because we had the entire front end off of the car anyway for cosmetic repairs and replacement. So it was just easier for us to pull it out this way. And then we didn't have to use the garage that we used last time with the lift, because that's just inconvenient for Brad and I to get to. It's just a little out of the way, and over here was a lot easier for us to get to. So this car is so easy to work on. You can literally pull the motor out in the backyard under a tent. That's essentially what we're doing. We have all of our parts over here, most of our parts over here. We got our wheels over here. We got some of our other parts lined up around here. And we got our new engine right here. This will be the next engine going in, the fourth one in less than a month. Well, it's been longer than a month because we've been waiting on parts, but a very short time, we'll say that. Here's the car lot. There's my Camaro over there. Anyways, I'm sure Brad's waiting on me.
Where's your impact?
Right there.
Ready?
Ready. We need what?
We need light now so we can see what we're doing. Drop it back down a little bit.
I'll grab the extension cord. I'm sure they're done with it by now. Y'all done with the power? You done with the power? All right. So there's our detail tent we're working out of. There's all our extra tools and parts. Alright, let there be light. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and pull her out.
Let me bring it down a little bit.
Hold on. You gotta bring it up, right?
No. You gotta come underneath all this shit.
Yeah, move that wire. Yeah. That one plug. Down. Sorry, don't matter. Hold on. Where'd that drain bucket go? Oh, come back. Come back up. Come back to the. Where did I put that water? Damn, that fucking jam had its dog too.
Okay. Alright. Come down a little bit. Come on. Okay. Let's tighten them out.
Take it out. Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Let me get down low.
Okay,
Tent. What's that? Oh, great. Kind of stretch that to its limit. All right, folks, there you have it. We have pulled the motor out of the Ford Focus once again. This time in a dirty ass old funky detail tent with hardly any tools, at least not very many. So I guess we'll split the training now and start on that. So alright guys, it's hard to fucking get shit done and film, so see you next time.